E-COLL, the original, or when chemistry met technology. Basic scientific principles led to an evolutionary reform of technical craftsmanship in many industrial sectors. More than 35 years ago, a clever and logical idea was further developed to use chemical competence specifically for the improvement of technical work areas and to adapt it optimally to the respective task. This laid the foundation for more than 600 different problem solvers in industry and trade today. With E-COLL, a triumphal march began through workshops and construction sites in the areas of metal and woodworking, automotive, heating, plumbing and air conditioning, building management, maintenance, painting, structural and civil engineering, the electrical industry, and many more sectors. Today, hundreds of thousands of professional users trust the solid quality and high reliability of E-COLL. The wide range of carefully selected chemical technical products and services includes system components for maintenance, lubricants, cleaning, adhesives, and sealants. If it has to be more, no less than E-COLL, the original.